Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vehicle Info. In today's video, we're diving deep into the revival of a true aviation legend, the 2025 Avro Vulcan. A name that evokes power, innovation, and military history, the Avro Vulcan is one of the most iconic strategic bombers of the 20th century. But what happens when such a machine is reborn in the 21st century with cutting-edge technology and a modern mission? Let's begin by looking at the history. Originally developed in the 1950s by Avro, a British aircraft manufacturer, the Vulcan was part of the RAF bomber force during the Cold War, known for its distinctive delta wing design, high-altitude performance, and nuclear deterrence capabilities. The Vulcan served the UK for over 3 decades. Its last operational flight was in 1984, with the final display flights continuing until 2015. But fast forward to 2025, and the Vulcan has been brought back not as a museum piece, but as a fully modernized aviation marvel. The 2025 Avro Vulcan is not a simple restoration. It is a reimagining of the original aircraft for modern roles in both military and civil aerospace, spearheaded by a private aerospace consortium in collaboration with British defense agencies. The Vulcan has been updated with state-of-the-art avionics, composite materials, and next-gen propulsion systems. The core delta wing design remains honoring its iconic silhouette, but virtually every component has been upgraded. One of the biggest changes is the propulsion system. The original Vulcan was powered by 4 Rolls-Royce Olympus turbojet engines. The 2025 version uses 2 next-generation hybrid turbofan engines developed in partnership with Rolls-Royce and by Systems. These engines offer 40% greater fuel efficiency, significantly reduced noise, and a carbon-neutral footprint when used with sustainable aviation fuel. This makes the 2025 Vulcan not just powerful, but also eco-conscious, aligning with the aviation industry's push for net zero emissions. The airframe is another area of radical change. The new Vulcan features a lightweight carbon fiber reinforced body that retains the original's stealth-like delta configuration. The use of advanced materials has reduced overall weight by 25%. Increasing range and agility. The aircraft's skin is also embedded with smart sensors and adaptive surface materials that can react to aerodynamic pressures in real time, enhancing stability and maneuverability. Now let's talk about the cockpit and onboard systems. The 2025 Avro Vulcan is fully digital, featuring a fly-by-wire system and eye-assisted flight controls. Gone are the analog dials and manual toggles of the original version. In their place are panoramic touchscreen displays, voice command integration, and real-time data analysis. Pilots have access to advanced augmented reality heads-up displays, enabling situational awareness even in low-visibility conditions. Interestingly, the aircraft is also semi-autonomous. While it can be piloted manually, the 2025 Vulcan has the ability to operate on eye-assisted autopilot for long-range reconnaissance or supply missions. This makes it versatile, capable of being used as a manned strategic platform or as an unmanned aerial vehicle, depending on mission requirements. In terms of performance, the 2025 Vulcan reaches a top speed of Mach 1.8 and has a service ceiling of over 60,000 feet, higher than its predecessor. Its operational range has been extended to over 8,000 kilometers, making it capable of global missions without refueling. The aircraft can carry a mix of military and humanitarian payloads, from surveillance drones and radar jammers to relief supplies and communications equipment. The interior has also been redesigned. While originally built as a bomber with a cramped crew compartment, the new Vulcan features a modular interior that can be adapted based on mission type. For military operations, it can house electronic warfare suites, reconnaissance pods, or precision-guided munitions. For civil or emergency response roles, it can be outfitted with medical evacuation equipment, satellite communication systems, or cargo modules. Another key advancement is in stealth technology. Although the original Vulcan had some radar-reducing characteristics due to its shape, the 2025 model is fitted with radar-absorbent materials and active camouflage. This allows the aircraft to evade modern radar systems, making it suitable for high-risk intelligence gathering or critical payload delivery in contested airspace. Safety and survivability have also been major focuses. The aircraft is equipped with redundant flight systems, self-repairing software, and onboard countermeasure systems including flares, chaff, and electronic countermeasures. If a system fails mid-flight, the co-pilot automatically reroutes controls to functioning subsystems, ensuring mission continuity and crew safety. Now, let's talk about who's using it. While the aircraft is not in mass production, the British Royal Air Force is reportedly testing 2 units for high-altitude surveillance and rapid response logistics. There are also rumors of interest from NATO allies and private aerospace research firms. Some defense analysts believe the aircraft could become a test bed for future hypersonic systems or advanced drone integration. But it's not just about the military. Aerospace innovation companies are eyeing the 2025 Vulcan for applications in disaster relief, remote area supply chains, and atmospheric research. Its speed, range, and modular design make it suitable for operations in extreme environments, say from Arctic regions to disaster-stricken areas with no landing infrastructure. The cost of each unit is estimated at around $250 million US, depending on configuration. While this puts it in the range of other high-end military aircraft, the versatility of the Vulcan's new design gives it a much wider use case range, potentially justifying the investment across different sectors. Public interest in the Vulcan's return has been massive. Aviation enthusiasts, engineers, and military historians have all been fascinated by the return of this legendary aircraft. The sleek new design has also made it the star on social media, with flight footage and prototype testing going viral online. In conclusion, the 2025 Avro Vulcan is more than just a tribute to a legendary aircraft. It's a bold statement about the future of aerospace engineering, a blending heritage with innovation, and raw power with environmental responsibility. Whether in the skies above conflict zones or bringing aid to remote communities, the Vulcan is once again proving that it belongs in the air, not in a hangar. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Vehicle Info for more updates on future vehicles, aerospace technology, and everything in between. See you in the next video.